Hey friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin. I am so excited. I just got my box of brand new product. Now this is stuff that I had overnighted to myself. I actually ordered more than this, but excuse me, that's coming in a separate order. So I thought I had to show you the goodies that are in here. So here's a fun fact. I ordered this and I already had it. Good Lord. So that will be a fun gift or giveaway or something. So let's see what we have in here. And I'm going to walk you through why I ordered each thing that's in this box and why I had these particular items overnighted. Let me zoom in. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we've got the Simply Fabulous. This one I ordered overnight because I need to design with it because it is part of my paper party. Glad We're Friends, because I had to have it. Let's see, what else? We have Charming Sentiments with the Sentiment Silhouettes dies. Okay, can I just tell you, this set by Lisa Curcio is incredible. This is her $1 million set. And then it has these fantastic dies that cut all of these words out. And that just makes me want to scream. And cry. I was so happy. I actually am friends with Lisa and I messaged her and said, I cannot thank you enough for this. So I was so excited about that. All right. And then of course I've got the papers. So you've already seen the tea paper. So let's open up this butterfly paper and take a quick peek at it because I think it's going to be amazing. Of course. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I'm so glad. It is so much prettier in person. When I saw it in the catalog, I was a little like, because of the colors. I don't know. They just, like these colors here at first, I was like, I'm not sure. But then seeing it in person, it's beautiful. So that's why you always have to get the stuff in person to know if you're going to love it or not, right? Okay, cheerful basket with the dies because, hello, adorable. I cannot wait to sit and color this. Breaking news. I had to get this one because I'm part of a card swap that requires me to make my card swaps with this set. So I went ahead and had this overnighted so I could get cracking on those right away. This birthday Piggy I got right away because it is another one of my paper party sets that I need to design with. So I wanted to have it immediately. And then same with a little cheesy. This set is so cute and it is another set that I am going to be designing with immediately. So I needed to have it on hand. So several of these had a very strategic reason in ordering them overnight shipping. And overnight shipping is pretty pricey, so that's why the order is kind of small. And then the other items I wanted, I added to my next order, which it should be here in a while. These are the Effervescent Elements, and I got these because these are part of my paper party. They are so beautiful. They're all different sizes, and they're just these little like beads. So pretty. Uh-oh, these are going to make great shaker cards. I'm going to admit, I didn't know they were round. I thought they were flat on one side. So those will be a little bit interesting to use. In a shaker card, they're going to be incredible. Okay, then I got the Lovely and Lasting because this is one of my sets for my paper party. So I needed that. And then I got I got the white and gold. This is rose gold and white ribbon because this is part of my paper party as well. So I got this so I could start using it with my designing. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then I got the Fine Sparkle Adhesive Back Gems. Super pretty. These are the full basket dies, so that goes with the basket stamp set. And these, no, these aren't for the paper party. I think I just wanted these. And then this is some more of the In Color Designer Series paper, which you've probably seen. And then we have sun prints, which you've probably seen. These are pre-order, so a lot of people have been showing some of these pre-order ones. So I'm going to get the pre-order ones out of the way. So the Hues of Happiness, that's been shown quite a bit. The He's the Man designer series paper, that one has been shown. I just made a card using that paper. I'll make sure to link to it in this video. Uh-oh. Okay, and then I'm watching the Johnny Depp trial, you guys, and they were on break and they just came back from break, so I had to pause it. Okay, so this is, I'm trying to get this recorded for you so I can get it put up today. Pretty Prints. And here, let's look at this paper. That is beautiful. Kind of looks like dandelion. What do you call those? The dandelion things you blow? That's what it looks like. So this is very, very pretty, soft and subtle imagery, so that you could use this just anywhere, really. Super good. Love that. Okay, this is, sorry, my phone keeps dinging. What is this? This is the Texture Chic. So I love this sheet right here with the gold foiling. And that's the back. I'm gonna mute my phone really quick. Okay, and then we have this with the foiling. Now all of this stuff is available now, so you don't have to wait to purchase it. These are all current new catalog products that I'm showing you today. This is really beautiful. These are all really pretty. I really like this paper. I'm gonna have to do something fun with it. It kind of like reminds me of artwork that would like be in a bathroom or in somewhere very relaxing. It's kind of like, especially like this one, kind of has a very relaxing vibe to it. I love that. Beautiful. All of these are beautiful. Okay, so that's that one. So that's Texture Chic designer paper. And there is a link in the description below this video to shop. So if you want to shop for any of these products, you can do it there. I would recommend that you purchase the starter kit though, because you get all that free in color stuff right now. There's like 4 different in color items you get totally free when you purchase the starter kit. So think about that. Or if you have questions, let me know. This is a Wash in Beauty. So these are gorgeous. Beautiful. Very pretty. I really love this. Very nice. The back is just a nice solid. These are beautiful. This reminds me of like baby paper. Like a baby shower or something. Very pretty. And very pretty. Love it. So that's beautiful. Let's see, what do we have next? We've got the Lovely in linen paper. I don't even remember seeing this. Okay. Hopefully my dog's not gonna bark because there's a truck driving by. This is Lovely in linen. Oh, here they go. Sorry, you guys. Hopefully. Stop it. Stop it. Quiet. And then this one, this kind of reminds me of that like mosaic stuff that we had a long time ago. But it kind of reminds me of, oh, I love this. Kind of reminds me of that. Very pretty. This reminds me of like a backsplash in a kitchen or something. Very pretty. Country, very country looking. And then this one, very nice. Okay, so that's that paper. And then we have the Perfectly Penciled paper. All of these papers are so fun. So this is great. This is fantastic for coloring, or just for, you know, you want to use up, you need like splashes of color with black and white. Well, here you go. I love splashes of color with black and white. It's like one of my favorite ways to design. Okay, I got 2 of those. Oh no, this is different. I'm lying. This is the Abigail Rose. So I love this one because it's the same name as my niece. Her name is Abigail Rose. So it makes me happy. I might have to see if I can get her to do a video with me making something with this suite because it's her namesake. How fun is that? And this die cuts out. Oh my God. Okay. I cannot. This is so good. I love it. Really cute. Love it. And this kind of reminds me of her. She's a very girly girl. So this is a very soft, sweet, girly girl kind of paper. Okay. And then we have, oh, I did not get the Host Rewards paper. I'll have to get that soon. Okay, this is the, oh, I've been waiting for this. This is the Happy Forest. Okay, we're starting out beautiful. We're just starting so good. Let's look at the back. So sweet. This is my favorite, you guys. I could cry. Oh my God. Okay, that's a little dramatic. I won't cry. Look how cute. It's a whole, like, I just want to frame this. Gosh darn, that's cute. With the little bear. Okay, let's look at the back. Oh, isn't that luscious? Look at that. So good. Oh my God. I'm not kidding. Like, if I was having a baby, which I'm not, God help us all if I did, but if I was having a baby, I could totally do a baby's room in this. Boy or girl. Don't care. It is adorable. Wouldn't this be cute hanging up in a baby's room with like a photo in the middle of it? Oh, so cute. Beautiful. Beautiful. Soft, sweet, masculine, feminine. I mean, it really works for everybody. Oh, I just love this paper. This paper is making me swoon. I'm not even kidding. And then the back is as good as the front. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, so good. So that's my favorite paper. Hands down, my favorite paper. And that's all I got in my first box, you guys. There are more boxes to come. And when I get them, I will definitely do an unboxing for you because I know you guys always love seeing all the goodies, the new goodies. It so helps to see them like in a video and see somebody like show them to you so that you can make up your mind what you want to purchase. I do have a special going right now. When you place your order by May 27th, you have to use this host code and you get an in color sampler pack from me. So it's gonna have a lot of different little goodies in it for you. So make sure that you place your order by May 27th using this host code to get that. I always ship my freebies at the end of every month. So I don't ship them as you order because it's just too difficult administratively for me. So just keep that in mind. It will be at the end of May, beginning of June that you'll actually receive your goodies, okay? All right, I think that's everything, guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes while I unboxed. And if you need anything, shop loveandstampin.com, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.